I'm at Raw Nook Nature Reserve. It's a 13-acre site at Moor, Bradford. Owned now by Bradford Council, it was formerly occupied by British Rail for engine sheds and sidings. Time to move on. Well, the path divides here. Which way shall I go? Take the left one. Well, I'm already out of breath. Not been out enough this year. This trusty old stick. Yeah, it's great. Help me along. There's a lot of these plaques on posts to tell you what you might see here. This area was an old goods yard for trains, sidings, etc. So I suppose you could say it's a brownfield site. Well, it's a good argument for not developing brownfield sites. Nature has been allowed to move in, and surely we need to make room for nature, don't we? There's lots of birch trees everywhere, birch trees with their silver bark. And just turning off to the left here, there's a pond. Newts and frogs? Well, we'll see. Horse in the field there. Just saw a damselfly, but I don't know where it's gone now. There's a little bridge coming up. Excess water from that pond will go under here. There's my trusty hazel thumbstick. And round here, lots of ripening blackberries. No time to pick them today, I'm moving on. And away again. There's a lot of these little plaques on posts coming to another one. J. Well, I must admit, birds are notable by their absence at the moment. I've just come up to the Calderdale Valley railway line, which marks one side of this nature reserve. And here's a footbridge over the line. I'm going to turn around now, time to go back. This time I'm going to go the other side of the nature reserve, nearer to the railway line. You can see the businesses on the other side of the railway line. And now I'm going to head on into Raw Nook again. On this side there's lots of tree roots sticking up. But there's also evidence of the fact that this was a railway sidings sleeper. Note the fence posts here, they were cut from railway sleepers. There's something to sit on and have a rest again. Heading for it quickly. Oh, come on. Oh, it looks sharp on the top. Oh, I think I'll get a place to sit down. Here, well, it looks like somebody's been building some sort of den. Yeah. I wonder how long that's been there. Ahead it's opening out into a bit of a clearing. Lovely ferns there. Looking quite exotic. The heather here is more or less finishing flowering, going to seed. There's been some tall foxgloves here, taller than me, going to seed of course. Foxgloves, that is. Oh well, I don't know, perhaps me. Not been going as far today as I used to do. My more recent outings have been doing bits of the Pennine Way, little bit by bit. But the back and the knees won't let me right now. But this is great here. I think this tree behind me is a rowan. Some fabulous berries on it. The area here in front of me is a mown meadow. Come in spring to summer to see the wildflowers. Oh good, nobody there. I think somebody's left me a drink, but I'm not going to try it. I just wish Barbara were with me. At the moment she doesn't feel she can come along because of her back and her knees. And I must admit, I wonder how long mine are going to last out. On a day like this, it's lovely here. And not many people, despite the fact that this is in Bradford. Civilization on either side. And now I'm going to head back to the hustle and bustle of civilization. All those seeds ready to blow away at the slightest breeze. And the breeze is very slight. And they're blowing away. It's just 100 metres back to the car at Railway Terrace, so I'm signing off.